Then your father.
Who and then your father. Wow. Assalamualaikum dan juga salam sejahtera. Hai, kembali lagi ke Zah Vlog. So, hari ni kita nak buat sikit reaction video tentang trailer terbaru filem Your Mother, Your Mother, Your Mother. Tengok nama dia macam play kan, tapi okay, jom kita tengok dulu trailer ni. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
A man came to the prophet and asked, "Who is most beloved to us after you?" The prophet said, "Your mother."
Mother.
The man asked, "Then who?" Prophet
3 kali
said,
ibu.
"Your mother again." "Then who?" The prophet replied, "Your mother." 3 times? "Yeah." The man asked again, "Who is next?"
Ooh.
And the prophet replied, "And then your father."
And then your father. Mahershala Ali. Dia orang kata macam John Wick tapi versi Muslim. Gila, epic gila kan. Aku terpaksa tengok balik trailer ni sebab aku dah baca dia punya subtitle tadi. Aku tak perasan apa action sequence yang. Jap, kita mula balik. 1, 2, 3. Aku duk fokus subtitle terus. Tapi you fight pakai parang ni.
The prophet said, "Your mother." The man asked, "Then who?" The prophet said, "Your mother again." "Then who?" The prophet replied, "Your mother." 3 times? "Yeah."
Oh!
The man asked again, "Who is next?" And the prophet replied, "And then your father."
And then your father. Whoa. Whoosh. Now it gets on everybody's nerves sebab tak sangka pula US wanted to do movie about, something related to Islam sebab yelah Hollywood kan. But at the same time macam Mahershala Ali jadi leading. Dan aku baca komen tadi, director dia sepatutnya direct Blade yang baru tapi dia quit. So apa pandangan guys? Obviously Your Mother basically misalkan tentang bapak dia ni nak selamatkan anak dia, which is bapak dia peranan sebagai savior lah kot untuk selamatkan anak dia. Your Mother ni memang daripada lagu Cat Stevens pun ada. Dia di mana dia priority selepas Tuhan Allah yang kita sayangi, siapa yang kita patut sayang? Mak kita. Selepas mak siapa? Mak kita. Kemudian mak kita. Selepas 3 kali baru kau sayang bapak kau. Aku tak ingat perkataan sayang ke ataupun worship ataupun kata-kata lain. But anyway, apa pandangan guys tentang trailer Your Mother. Tinggalkan komen bawah. Jangan lupa like, share dan juga subscribe channel Pure Pixels. Dan jumpa lagi pada Zah Vlog yang datang. Thank you.